Is Carol's Jewelry a total scam, or can you trust them with your money? If you've seen those tempting Facebook ads or stumbled onto carolsjewelry.com, you need to hear this before you click buy. Let's break it down, fast. There are actually a few Carol's Jewelry businesses out there. Some are legit gems, while others, not so sparkly. First, the trustworthy ones. Carol Clark Jewelry in Dublin, Ireland. This place is the real deal. Top ratings, custom rings, and a Traveler's Choice Award on TripAdvisor. Same goes for Carol's Jewelers in Pennsylvania and Florida. Family-owned, decades in business, and glowing reviews for their repairs and service. If you're lucky enough to shop in person, you're golden. But let's talk about the red flags, especially for online shoppers. Sites like carolsjewelry.com have been raising eyebrows. No real address, just an email, and no way to call? That's a big warning sign. Watch out for sneaky closing down sales on Facebook too. If you see ads claiming massive discounts because of a personal tragedy, like losing a partner, hit pause. These are classic bait tactics for scams selling low-quality or even non-existent items. Here's what you should always check. Prices that look too good to be true? They probably are. If a diamond ring is $10, you're likely getting plastic or nothing at all. Shipping info vague or pretending to be local, but the item comes from overseas. Expect delays, surprise customs fees, and a headache. Unresponsive customer support, even though there's a refund policy listed? That's a huge red flag. So what's the bottom line? If you're shopping with Carol Clark Jewelry or Carol's Jewelers in-store, you're safe. But for carolsjewelry.com and flashy Facebook ads, proceed with major caution. Stay sharp, trust your gut, and never send money to a store that can't prove it's real.